We are a provider of power problem solutions, industrial engines, electrical generators that are custom designed for whatever our customers' requirements might be for that application. Enterprise is involved with any business decision we make of any significance. The bank is truly a stakeholder in our business and partners in our success. Because a lot of people think an airplane's an extravagance, but for us, it allowed us to more effectively service our customer base in Williston, North Dakota, and our customers in West Texas. We were able to buy a plane very reasonably. Enterprise stepped up and financed the plane acquisition 100%. Knowing that you've got the support of the financial institutions such as Enterprise makes managing challenging situations so much easier. Our credit facility in 9 months went from $20 million to a total of $52 million. That is commitment, and that's why we've been able to grow at the rate we have and achieve the results we had, because Enterprise has always had our back. Enterprise is an unbelievable team, and I'm just so fortunate to have them as friends and bankers.